I'm Thanh Luu. A bit hard for Aussie to pronounce, but that's my Vietnamese name. I was born in Vietnam and I finished my bachelor in Taxi in 2011. Come back to Vietnam, work for 5 years in oil and gas projects. And that is the time when my kid turned 2 years old. And we think, yeah, Australian should be a better education things for my kid. I study mechanical fitter and machinist in Midland TAFE. To be honest, I really love TAFE because the lecturer are very experienced and they are patient with me, explain me whatever I ask. I'm quite curious and I always ask everything until I know it. Currently, I'm doing my final year of apprentice. I'm gonna be finished by next month. Yeah. So after I finish, I will be a valve technician. The valve technician will do everything from stripping job, inspection, and thermal coating, machining. I'm looking to stay with Calidus for a while. Yeah, because there are still a lot more to learn here. The more you work, the more you know, the more you learn, and the more you don't know. Yeah. So I just want to stay for a little bit while and then learn more. If you are interested in the fitter machinist, first of all, always put your next target higher. So you keep learning and you keep yourself not want to understand knowledge. And secondly, it's never too old to start over again and just start wherever you like and get into the industry. If you don't like it, you still have another chance to go and just go until you find your true love.